Temaribet, country. Temaribet, Lanta.
Hello class, welcome to Temaribet. Today we are looking at a very interesting topic which is about physical quantities. Let's get started. ዛሬ ስለ physical quantity እናያለን ማለት ነው። Physical quantities are the property of material. They are the property of materials which can be either obtained by measured or calculated. We can measure them directly or we can calculate from the measured units. And as the name indicates, quantities are expressed in terms of number. They expressed in terms of number, unlike qualities. Qualities doesn't use number, but when you express quantity, we use number. Basically, there are two types of physical quantities based on the units. Those are the base or fundamental and derived. These are the two types of physical quantities based on their units. Let's start with the base or the fundamental units. As the name indicates, base or fundamental units are measured directly and they don't depend on any other quantities. They are independent on other quantities. And there are 7 base or fundamental units. There are basically 7. The first one is length. The second one is time. The third one is mass. The fourth one is amount of substance. The other one is temperature. Electric current and luminous intensity. All these 7 base units are just obtained by measuring them directly through instruments. They don't depend on any other units. They have their own units. We'll come to that. Length is measured by the device called meter. And its units also meter, not only the instrument for measuring. Its units also meter. The second one is time, which expressed in terms of second and measured using a clock. And the third one is mass. We can measure mass using a balance. So the main unit is kilogram. And amount of substance is measured in terms of mole, expressed in terms of mole. And temperature is measured using a thermometer and expressed in terms of Kelvin. electric current expressed in terms of ampere, and luminous intensity expressed in terms of candela. All these are measured directly, they don't depend on other units. Let's come to the derived one. As the name indicates, the derived one they are derived from the base units. They depend on base units. They are dependent on the base units, which obtained by calculating, combining one or more fundamental units. Obtained by combining one or more base units. Let's say examples. Area. Area is a derived unit. If we consider the area of rectangle, which is obtained by measuring its length and the width. So area calculated as length times width. Both are expressed in terms of the length measurement, which is meter. So both are measured in terms of meter, meter times meter, and the unit become meter square. So area is a derived unit because we derived from the base unit, which is length. And let's see other volume. If we consider a volume of a cube or a box, we do the same way, like by multiplying length, width, and height. Those three units are expressed in terms of the length unit as meter. So when we multiply meter times meter times meter, the unit becomes meter cube. And there is also another unit which is calculated from the base units, speed. We can express the speed of object by deriving from the base unit. Speed is obtained by dividing the distance traveled to time. So, which is obtained by distance divided by time. Distance, it's expressed in terms of the base unit, which is length. So the unit become meter, and the time unit is second from the base units. So the unit of speed becomes meter per second. So which is calculated from the base units. We may multiply or divide. So over here we just use division. On the first derived unit for area and volume, we just use multiplication. And the other one is density. To express the density of object, we just divide the mass to volume. When you divide mass by volume. So over here we just use one base unit and another derived unit, so which is calculated from both units. So the unit becomes mass is expressed in terms of kilogram. The units become kilogram per volume expressed in terms of meter cube. So it become kilogram per meter cube. In symbol we can write as kg over meter cube. So all these are derived units which are obtained from the fundamental units, but the fundamental units are not calculated from other units. They are not dependent, but derived units is dependent. ቪዲዮ እንደተጠቀማችሁ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። Don't forget to share and leave a comment below. በዩቲዩብ በቴሌግራም እና በፌስቡክ ቻናላችን ጆይን አድርጋችሁ በቀጣይ ቪዲዮ እስከምንገናኝ ድረስ ባይ ባይ. See you.